From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for March 19, 2018. Today we're going to take a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. For today's trade analysis, looking at the news calendar for the day today, we have a pretty light day during the U.S. trading session. Nothing really significant, no high impact news to speak about during the U.S. trading session today. But it's probably very important to note Wednesday when we get our FOMC statement, interest rate news. The potential of a raise of interest rates is there. So, all eyes will be on the FOMC on Wednesday to see if that actually happens or if there's comments made about the interest rates that lead the market to buy or sell U.S. dollars on Wednesday. So today, not so much news going on. Anyway, back here to the dollar franc. Previous downtrend, of course, clearly there. We have the last leg of that downtrend highlighted with the blue trend line. I've also taken Fibonacci from the highest high on the chart down to the lowest low. Current trend has been bullish. You see the black trend line rising here, and there's been a pattern within that trend we'll discuss here in a moment. But rising trend, currently challenging the 95.35, 95.15 resistance zone, green shaded area right here in the middle of the chart. It's green, 95.15, 95.35. What's interesting about that level is that that is also the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level of the previous downtrend from the highest high to the lowest low. 382 is at 95.12, so right there at the bottom of the green shaded area, and we're today just above that. So that's a very interesting area of resistance that has been challenged now for the past 3 days. We go ahead and zoom it in a little bit here on the daily time frame. Just look at the last blue circle here. Let me expand it out a little bit. You can see the market finding resistance there, bouncing back to the purple zone, now challenging it once again. So really, the key point of today's analysis is one of two things is going to happen here. It's either going to continue the rising trend, break through 95.35, continue to the next barrier of resistance, which happens to be up here at the pink zone, 95.85, 9600. If it doesn't do that, the potential is for some reversal. That would be in line, though, with the pattern of the trend. We've seen that really over the past several weeks, where we see down here at the orange zone, the market find resistance, fall to the yellow zone, break, continue to pressure higher. Purple zone right here in the middle of the trend where it found resistance, went down to the orange zone, found support, break above the purple zone, went higher to the green zone. Then we found support again. So really, if the pattern continues and we see support, breakout, support, breakout, support, breakout, oh wait, we haven't seen the breakout yet. So maybe that's the next iteration of the pattern, is looking for the breakout above 95.35. So we'll be watching for clues to that. You know, I mentioned the interest rate news a little bit ago. If the market anticipates a raise of those interest rates, if the Fed does raise the interest rates and has some good hawkish comments to say about the economy, we could see that next phase higher for the dollar franc. Take it on down here to the 4-hour time frame. Look at the green zone once again as we get down here, and we know that there's one of two things that's going to happen. We've already discussed it for the day today. It's either going to break through and continue to go higher or reverse. What we'll be looking for are clues and evidences to that. We need it. Obviously, at this point, it hasn't gotten through 95.35, so we'll need it to get above 95.35 if we're going to have any expectation of a next move higher. Otherwise, sudden infusion of sell orders, if we suddenly see a bearish move, bearish engulfing candle, inverted hammer candlestick, or a shooting star candlestick, those would be clues to us that we could be looking for a reversal. So we'll be looking for one of these two things, either a breakout to go higher or a sudden infusion of sell orders for reversal for the dollar franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.